Looking for a PC case that handles the biggest builds with ease? The CORSAIR 7000D Airflow delivers just that. This full tower case isn't just large, it's engineered for maximum airflow, effortless cable management, and room to grow. Whether you're pushing your system to the limits or want a clean, powerful setup, this case offers everything you need and more. What sets the 7000D Airflow apart? Start with its steel front panel, optimized for high airflow, pushing cool air deep into your system to keep temperatures low. Inside, the RapidRoute cable management system simplifies routing your cables through a hidden channel with a hinged door. Plus, 30 mm of space behind the motherboard means you can keep everything neat and tidy without hassle. It's the kind of thoughtful design that saves time and frustration. Cooling options? This case is built for extreme setups. It includes 3 CORSAIR 140mm airguide fans with anti-vortex vanes that focus airflow exactly where you need it. But that's just the beginning. The massive interior supports up to 12x 120mm or 7x 140mm fans, and you can install up to 3 360mm radiators at once, or 2 420mm radiators if you want to push your cooling even further. Plus, customizable side mounts let you add up to 4 120mm fans or a 420mm radiator, opening a whole new world of airflow possibilities. If you're a gamer or creator, you'll appreciate the vertical GPU mount on the PSU shroud. It's wide enough for today's most powerful graphics cards, letting you showcase your hardware in style. And with a modern front I/O panel featuring a USB 3. 1 Type-C port, 4 USB 3. 0 ports, and a combined audio, mic jack, connectivity is right at your fingertips. Storage won't hold you back either. The 7000D Airflow offers 6 combo 2. 5 inches, 3. 5 inches drive trays plus 4 dedicated 2. 5 inches SSD mounts, giving you plenty of room for years of storage upgrades. And when you want to show off your build, the tool-free tempered glass side panel lets your components and RGB lighting steal the spotlight. One user summed it up perfectly: this thing is huge, more like a super tower. At nearly 2 feet tall and weighing 43 pounds empty, the 7000D Airflow is built solid and ready to support even the most ambitious projects. If you've ever struggled with cramped cases or limited cooling, this is the upgrade you've been waiting for. If you're ready to build a PC that stands out and stays cool under pressure, the CORSAIR 7000D Airflow is worth a look. It gives you the space, airflow, and smart design to bring your vision to life without compromise. Try it when you're ready to make your next build truly exceptional.